Welcome back guys to another video. Today I want to show you my idea of a travel bag, EDC tech IT bag, how you want to call it. Basically I made this one every time a neighbor, a friend of a neighbor, a friend of a friend needs me to fix their computer, install something in a laptop, take things apart. So instead of me trying to go through the doors like a madman and trying to find all the parts that I need, I made this bag. Let's check it out. Right, as usual, everything what I'm about to present can be found linked in the description below. If they don't exist anymore, I will offer a closed alternative. First up we have this EDC pouch from Maxpedition. I think it's a medium-sized one from the range. It is very well built, it's water resistant, and it has a carrying strap alongside mole attachments. Okay, let's dive in. First up, a very essential tool, a Stanley pen sized screwdriver, and most importantly is the fact that it's magnetic. Thermal paste is a must, I got this one from Be Quiet. In these two USB sticks I have the kits for Windows 7 and Windows 10 depending on older or newer machines. Also the red one is a micro USB card reader, so it comes handy if I have to read memory cards, for example. This plastic tool came pre-bundled with the Be Quiet thermal paste, but I keep it because it is an excellent non-conductive pry tool or whenever I need to reach something and to be sure not to short circuit anything. Next up is a makeup brush, excellent for removing dust from hard to reach areas. Now this one is a USB Sata adapter, which is very handy when I have to quick access a 2.5-inch hard drive or SSD. Okay, this one I just showed it in my previous video. It's an enclosure for Mdot to SATA based SSDs. Again, I use this to store data like any necessary kits and drivers, or if I have to access any SATA based Mdot2s. Now this is a 2GB USB stick and it's the third one I have because I use this when I have to do BIOS updates for motherboards, for example. Currently I have mem test on it, so it's perfect to test RAM. Now this one is very handy. It's a video adapter that transforms signal from DisplayPort to either HDMI, DVI or even VGA. In this bag I keep a standard micro USB cable and a new Type-C plug. Here is the USB cable for that M.2 enclosure. And why not a SATA 3 cable, just to be sure when something doesn't work it's not down to a bad cable. That's about it for the right side. Now in this bag I keep a variety of mostly used screws like M3s, M4s, fan screws and motherboard standoffs, even some washers. Trust me, there is always someone with a loose screw. Also new BIOS battery, again you never know. Okay, we're almost done. Here we have some small zip ties, this is when I have to restrain a small person. Then some short or long cable ties, this is to do my hair. Now this one is a USB battery charger, it accepts AA's or AAA batteries. I have this because I also have some batteries as well with me. These are not for strictly computers, but I do have a small flashlight with me on my keychain. Also this is a pack of Eneloop rechargeables with 2 of each size. And that's about it guys. The only thing I'm missing is a small multi-tool because I really need a pliers with me. This one I have from Gerber is a little too big and heavy for this kit, so I'll find a replacement soon enough. I have my eyes on this Sock Baton Q4 since it comes in a pen size. So that's about it for my man purse. By all means, I'm not trying to imply that this is a complete kit, this is just what I noticed I need and use the most when I have to carry out certain tasks away from home. So I hope you like this one guys, let me know if you think I should add another tool to this kit and see you in the next one. Alex out.